Okay, this is Uta, and I'm Steve, and we are we're doing the Art of La Pavoni Espresso, and, we're doing the Patreon, not for a huge thing, but, we're going to have some pretty fun stuff, and you'll get some extra stuff on Patreon, just $1 a person. It's really to pay for the coffee for our around the world coffee tour. We just started it with Costa Rica. Not Costa Rica, where did we start it? Mexico, Chapatas. God, I'm out there. And anyway, next stop is Guatemala. Then we're going to have all those other Belize, Costa Rica, Panama, all the countries in Central America, then South America, then the Caribbean. So it's just $1 or so.
Yeah, just $1 or so.
Yeah, if you put in $5 a month, you'll get a Misty Blue pin. Or if you want, you'll also get a Doctor Who. So that's the things. But yeah, it's going to be fun. We're going to do some live things. We're going to have coffee in the afternoon, and we'll go some places, and we're pretty fun, and you'll be able to listen to our wit. And we'll give you we just reviewed the Chapatas coffee, which came out good. We couldn't really think of 3 bad things about it.
No, there's nothing. It's really smooth.
Yeah, it's really smooth. It's a great coffee. The roaster did a good job. Guy Green Cabin on Etsy. We don't do any advertisement for money. Just if it came out good, we'll say. And I got to say, his coffee's pretty darn good. And that might outdo our regular medium dark Hawaiian coffee that we get. It does.
Our Hawaiian coffee is kind of oily.
It has been oily, the Hawaiian coffee,
but
this
oily,
isn't.
But it's good, but this is really smooth.
Really smooth, not oily at all. And it really did it. So
just for medium roast, I mean, it's really good.
Yeah.
Because we usually don't even drink medium roast.
So yeah, really winter, and yeah, so come and join us on here, and just $1. It's going to all be used for paying for the coffee pretty much, and we're going to have that shipped from the countries if we can. But a lot of it we had to order this way because it's a little harder to do that way. But yeah, we're going to have a lot of fun stuff, and it'll be unedited conversation, and we'll be out here on the deck, or usually back on the back porch in the garden, or wherever we're going. Sometimes we'll take you on a little trip too. So anyway, it's Art of La Pavoni Espresso. We're way into La Pavoni machines, or I am anyway. Uta puts up with it, but anyhow, yeah. So come on aboard, and yeah, we're gonna have a lot of fun and go all kinds of places. And yeah, it's us.
And drink lots of coffee.
Drink lots of coffee. It's the real thing. We're the real people. The shots will all be unrehearsed. No, like, getting the perfect one and then putting it up like you're always there. But yeah, we're going to do that. It's going to be the real thing. We're going to really tell you about it. And yeah, we're just the real folks. There's no fancy production like these guys have, and fancy cameras, fancy all that stuff. It's just going to be kind of real. And yeah, we'll have some really good fun. So that's our little introduction. You'll look at our videos, and pretty soon, once we get a couple people joined up, we'll do our little special ones. You'll have a lot of fun there.